Hey everybody out in YouTube land. We're just working on this 97 F350, not 150. Anyways, so yeah, we just had to come take the turbo off. This is the turbo right here. I'll show you that in a little bit. But talk about pain in the butt. Yeah, that was not fun. Those two bolts way in the back, which is right there for the pedestal, way down there, where those two bigger holes are. There's the two little holes. That was part of the pedestal. It has 4 bolts total, and then the 4 bolts which is on the flange, those were not fun. But I got the flange ones off not too bad, but the pedestal, which is this here, these 4 bolts, that was not fun to take off. So the one right here, you can see where it has a little indentation right there to get it on, and I couldn't even find that bolt. I was looking all over for the place. But we got it. And then disassembling this turbo, notice that you can see some of the blades. Let's see. It's kind of hard to see on the video. Oh, hold on. There we go. Some of those blades, you can see they're tore up. And you can see on the housing right here that it rubbed. You don't really feel too much, just a little bit. But as you can see, they are toast. And the reason why is this. So that's why. But we have a new wheel. We got one of those Wicked Wheel 2s. So got that guy, got the rebuild kit. Yeah, so we're gonna rebuild this turbo that goes in here. As you can see, we'll rebuild that. And that's what I was talking about, those 2 holes down there in the back. There's a pain in the butt. But anyways, so we'll be rebuilding this turbo and hopefully get a little bit more power out of it. Supposedly with the Wicked Wheel, I should get about 350-ish horsepower and probably around, what do they say, about 500 foot-pounds of torque. So it's not that much, but you know what? There's a T3 flange, so it's, yeah, it looks like a T4, but they say it's a T3. But yeah, we'll just rebuild that, see what happens. Well, you guys take care. We'll see you as soon as I get this all put together, and we'll go from there. You guys have a good day.